It's Labor Day. Spent the last 2 nights out on the lake and a little pond on a friend's property, but so I did my little thing already. So today I'm back on this Regal and go to All Things Buick, guys. Check it out. All right. Alright, so I'm on this 77 Regal again, and what I figured out so far, as you see, is that the proportionate valve on this car is bad. So if I put this proportionate valve on, I want to take these lines off and cap this. So while I'm changing out all the lines on the proportionate valve, I won't lose all my fluid. Alright, there we go. I was going to say this thing ain't even leaking, but there it go. Alright. So now I know I got leakage here, which I already knew that before, but it took it a minute to start rolling out of there. Yeah, I got me a towel down here to catch whatever fluid is leaking down there. So now I just want to tighten these up. So I don't have enough room to go up under to show you how to change that proportionate valve, but it's just lines. I'll show you proportionate valve here in a minute. Alright, so with this proportionate valve, what I did, you see I put only one nut. Holding this thing with one hand, man. I don't know how people work without a tripod, but alright, so I come in and I put one bolt on here, and that makes this loose. And then actually I started with this one first, the rear line, and then I get this top line, because honestly, trust me, from years of messing around, these are the two hardest to get started. This one can be a bear, so I do this one third, then I do the two top ones, and if it's loose up top, these lines will wiggle around and move. And then I was able to get all of these started, no problem. Now, I put my other bolt in here, tighten this down, then I tighten all my lines down. So, but I make sure this is loose and movable while I'm installing all my lines, guys. So I just found that's the easiest way to do it. Now, maybe if you was doing an off frame and, you know, the body, and you wasn't, you know, even standing up, but I'm on the ground here, guys. I don't have a hoist. Wish I did, but I don't. So laying here on my back on my little roller here, I just found this is the easiest way to get these on here. So, all right, so now that I got the proportionate valve on there, open this up, and what I got is the farthest rear, guys, from the master cylinder back here. I got this open up so air pump, you know, the brake fluid a seat down and start leaking into here, because you know, by it being Labor Day, you know, you ain't got nobody to help you bleed the brakes. So I just let this drain on its own, and at least I know I have fluid back to this brake. Run some of mine. Remember how to bleed the brakes? Boy, you should look so happy. You don't like helping Granddad no more? Why not? Because a video game? That's what it is. What is it then?
I hate sitting in cars all day.
Because of the video games. You can sit and play the video game all day.
not the same thing as sitting in the car doing nothing.
You're going to be pumping brakes in a minute.
It's already been a minute.
Already been a minute. You little oughta.
You talk so low. You talk so low. It takes a whole hour to finish
What?
your words.
What?
They say you talk slow. I mean so slow that it takes hours for you to stop
I
your
ain't
work.
got time to deal with you.
Let's get
All right, pump 5 times and hold.
1,
Go slow.
2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Come here.
All right, pump 5 times and hold.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold.
Nothing. Pump 5 times and hold.